Hey everyone, welcome to the project demonstration for stress prediction app for IT professional. This project was created by Lasya Ganji, a student from Bentonville High School, Arkansas, and an active neuroscience researcher and healthcare enthusiast. She was part of a program exploring the intersection of AI and wellness. So let's get on with the app demonstration. Welcome to the stress level tracker homepage. This was built with Streamlit and thus it has a clean and nice web UI. Here's how it works. The app users adjust sliders based on real-time stress indicators like heart rate, skin conductivity, hours worked today, emails sent today, and the meetings attended today. As the inputs change, the app dynamically assesses and displays the user's stress level, either low, above moderate, or high, with a color-coded message and a simple wellness tip. So let's just play around with the stress indicators here a bit. As you can see, we have a stress level as moderate, and it's giving out a simple wellness tip. You are doing okay, but consider taking short breaks. This tool is impactful because it raises immediate awareness of rising stress and encourages timely interventions like rest, breathing exercises, or mindfulness. Through this project, Lasya gained practical experience in Streamlist-based app development, user integration design with sliders and inputs, rule-based health logic implementation, and applying digital tools to support mental health and well-being. Now, let's talk about how we can expand on this project. Right. So when we talk about future enhancements, we can incorporate advanced models to improve prediction accuracy and deliver even more precise insights. We can have dynamic categorizations to dynamically adjust stress level categories based on data. We can also have personalized recommendations tailored to the user for stress management techniques and strategies. And then we can have wearable integration in the form of smartwatches and other accessibility devices. So overall, this is a very impactful project. And if a student is able to build this, then he for sure has learned a lot through the process.